Withdrawing money from your Revolut account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transfer. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your funds. Step 2. Navigate to the Accounts tab. Once you are in the app, find and tap on the Accounts tab. This section displays your available balances and accounts. Step 3. Select Withdraw. Look for the option to withdraw funds. This may be labeled as withdraw or send to bank depending on your app version. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Choose your bank account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Enter the amount and confirm. Input the amount you wish to withdraw and review the details. Once everything looks correct, confirm the transaction to complete the withdrawal. After following these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. If you encounter any issues, check the app for notifications or contact Revolut support for assistance.